Hello everyone and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lima Dental Clinic. In today's video, we're discussing full arch implants, which is an amazing solution for replacing all your teeth. If you're considering this life-changing procedure, this video will guide you through the process and also explain why Istanbul, Turkey is the perfect place for your smile transformation. Stay with Lima to learn more. Now, what are full arch implants? Full arch dental implants are a permanent solution for replacing an entire set of upper or lower teeth. Unlike dentures, which are uncomfortable and also inconvenient, full arch implants are securely placed in your jawbones and providing stability and functionality similar just as the natural teeth. This procedure is designed for people who have lost most or all of their teeth and want to restore their smile and also the quality of life. Now let's go through the steps of full arch implant procedure. Here's how full arch dental implant procedure works at Lima Dental Clinic. The first step will be consultation and planning. We start with a thorough consultation to evaluate your overall health and determine the best treatment plan for your needs. X-rays and 3D scans are taken to plan the placement of your implants. The next step will be implant placement. During a single surgery, we place the dental implants in your jawbone. These titanium posts serve as a strong foundation for your new teeth. After that, we get to the healing process. After implant placement, there is a healing period where the implants fuse with your bone in a process called osseointegration. This can take a few months, but do not worry, temporary teeth will be provided so you can smile and eat during the healing process. The next part will be the permanent teeth. Once the implants have fully integrated with your jawbone, we place the permanent custom-made teeth, which are designed to match the color, shape, and also the size of your natural teeth. Now let's see why we need to choose Istanbul for full arch implants. Through time, Istanbul has become a leading destination for dental tourism, offering high-quality treatments at affordable prices compared to many Western countries. At Lima Dental Clinic, we combine expert care, advanced technology, and a comfortable environment to provide you with the best results in full arch implants. At Lima Dental Clinic, we're dedicated to giving you a smile that feels natural, looks amazing, and lasts a lifetime. If you're considering full arch implants or have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out and also like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments in the sector below. We're here to help you transfer your smile in Istanbul.